we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lurluso Inflatable Pool with Seats that's include. Family-sized inflatable pool with seat. This spacious 130x72x22-inch inflatable pool comfortably accommodates an entire family, delivering ample indoor and outdoor fun. Complete with inflatable seats and drink holders, it offers next-level comfort for your enjoyment. Safe and long lifespan. The kids' inflatable swimming pool is crafted from 0.4 mm non-toxic PVC, ensuring safety for children. Its 60% thicker construction compared to most on the market minimizes the risk of punctures, guaranteeing a long-lasting service life. Quick and easy. This blow-up pool can be inflated in minutes using an electric pump, not included. With built-in 2 curved water valves, it doubles the drainage speed, ensuring quicker and easier storage. Sturdy and stable. This inflatable pool, suitable for adults and kids, features 3 individual air chambers, each equipped with a one-way valve to withstand weight while preventing air or water leakage. Its figure 8 shape enhances its anti-overflow ability, surpassing ordinary designs. Great gift idea. Bring refreshing coolness and joy to your kids, family, and friends during the hot summer months with our inflatable swimming pool. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.